This is probably the most beautiful thing I've seen in my entire life. And no, I'm not talking about your looks. I'm talking about these view numbers on this TikTok. Not one, but all of them have 1 million views after just 2 days. These videos are a challenge for the viewer to compete with a cartoon character in a quiz.
But since this niche is for kids, this won't work.
Then why did every single one of his videos have 1 million views? Not one, but there are multiple people hopping on this money-making opportunity. I don't mean to be rude, but Ronaldo wouldn't be the best footballer in the world if he said it would never work. A person who never gives up can never lose. These videos force the viewer to comment and watch the whole video. This will tell TikTok that this video is banger. But wait, the best part is that the videos are 1 minute long, meaning each 1,000 views is worth $1. For those dumb people, that's $1,000 per million views. My monthly salary is like a joke, especially if you live in a poorer country. Those dollars converted can be worth so much more in Pakistan, for example. But how do I get a US or UK audience?
My country doesn't have a TikTok creativity program.
Too bad. You should follow the rules. Just kidding, I got your back. I managed to find a hole in TikTok. As my cat always used to say, follow the why in game unfair.
Bruh.
I meant, why follow the rules in an unfair game? Enough about my cat's wise quotations. Let me show you how to get access to the TikTok creativity program from any country. Step 1. Head over to the website I've linked in the description. There, you can grab as many US TikTok accounts as you need. Why US accounts? Well, not only do they grant you access to the TikTok creativity program, but they also give your content a boost with a higher RPM. Now, to sweeten the deal, I've even scored an exclusive discount code from the website owner. Just use code R2 at checkout for a massive 10% off. Now that you have the TikTok account set up, let me show you 2 tricks to avoid getting under 1K views on each video and getting shadow banned. First, watch a few TikToks and engage with them by commenting and liking videos, likely in your niche, so you can get new ideas and improve. Second, don't change the username or profile picture. I know this sounds stupid, but trust me, post the first video and then change the username. Now before we start, let me show you one of the videos for a better understanding.
Question number 1. Name any celebrity singer. I'm gonna say Justin Bieber. If you said it, sorry, you're out. Avoid saying the same thing as me, or you are out. Question number 2. Name any social media app. I'm gonna go with Facebook.
They are using a SpongeBob voice and overlay to build a connection with the viewer. This is a very good hook since they grew up watching them. It is very close to their hearts. But I will spice it up by showing you how you can use any other character, not just SpongeBob, so you are unique and not just copying this guy. Let's make the video. I have created a simple 4-step process to create these TikToks. Step 1. Creating voiceover. I will show 2 ways to get the script for the voiceover. The first method involves using your brain and coming up with questions and ideas, but I know most of my viewers work smart and use AI instead, so waste no time and copy the already viral TikTok video from this page. Next, head over to Dupdub, link in the description. Once on the website, log in or sign up for free. Then go to the transcription AI, select TikTok from the options and paste the link we just copied. Then click transcribe, confirm and continue. This should take only a few seconds. Once done, you will be presented with a script that is already guaranteed to go viral. Click copy text to copy the script. Head over to ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite the script we just copied. Wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. Once generated, read through it and copy the new script. Now let's convert the script into a cartoon character voice of your choice. Head over to Top Media AI and sign up for a free account. Once created, select the text to voice AI tool from the drop-down menu. Once on this page, click Try It Now. This is where magic happens. Click on Select Voice and go to Animation. As you can see, there are plenty of cartoon characters you can select. I am choosing Peter for this example. Paste the script we copied, go ahead, and press the audition button. Let the AI do its thing. Once loaded, click this download button. Step 2. Getting the background. This step is very straightforward and can be skipped for other videos, as you will already have this to use as background. Head over to YouTube and type in Minecraft Parkour copyright free video. Choose the one you like and download it. Step 3. Getting the overlays. The same rule applies for this step. Once you have the overlays, you don't need to download them again for other videos. There are 2 things we will need for overlays: character and timer overlays. Once again, head over to YouTube and type in the timer green screen. Choose one from the results that already has a ticking sound and download it. Yes, it's that quick. For the next overlay, go to Google and search for your character name. Find one picture that you can put as an overlay as the character is speaking. Final step of editing the video. We are going to use Capture for the editing, and trust me, this is the easiest edit I have seen. Copy what I do. Open Capture and import everything we downloaded. Then drag the voiceover we created followed by the Minecraft background. Click the Modify button on the right, select this radio, and save. Then select the background and rearrange it to fit the screen like this. Now this next part is the most important. Zoom into the voiceover, then select the split tool and go through the voice. Make a split every time it asks a question, but before the answer. Now, we are going to add the timer. Drag and drop the timer after the first split. Head over to Remove BG on the right and turn on the chroma key. Click this button and select the green screen. Adjust to strength to remove the green completely. If your timer is long, you can shorten it simply by speeding it up. Select the timer and head over to speed. As you can see, my timer is 5 seconds. Select the number in this box and change it to however long you want the timer to be. Next, copy the timer from the timeline. Drag the rest of the voice over so it starts after the timer. Do this for every split. Simply paste the timer and drag the remaining voice over after the timer. Cut off the remaining background, and then go to Text and Auto Caption. Here, select the language and generate. Once generated, change the font and size position. To your liking, I recommend keeping the position in the middle. Then head over to Animations. Go to Captions, scroll down, and select the Bounce Out animation. Now add new text and customize it with a good font and text size. Position like this. Copy the text and paste it. Position it below the first text. Do this 4 more times, so you have 6 text lines in total. Extend all 6 texts until the end. Then change the color of the text and rename first 2 being green, rename them easy, middle 2 being orange, rename them medium, and last 2 being red, rename them hard. Now we will make a split after the answer is given and rename the text to the answer. Make sure to position the text in one straight line. This is very easy. Just split the text after each timer in order of the questions. Now, finally, let's bring our character. Drag and drop the character and position it however you desire. Go to Animations and find the slide animation. Once found, select the animation. Now extend the overlay until there is no space in between. Now copy and paste it in all the empty spaces between the timers like this, leaving no gaps. Then head over to Audio on top left. Go to Sound Effects, then transition from the drop-down. Find the whoosh sound and drag it where the character overlay starts. Do this for every character overlay. Now you can download the video. Click the Export button and export the video. Now you must be curious about the result. Keep in mind that this is just a quick video on how to create a basic video like this. You can improve it a lot with more sound effects and visuals.
Question 1. Identify a celebrity whose first name is Chris. My choice is Chris Hemsworth. If you chose Chris Hemsworth, you're disqualified. Steer clear of repeating my answer or you're out. Question 2. Name a variety of fruit. I'll select kiwi. Should you mention kiwi, you're out of the game. Question 3. Choose a color from the rainbow. My pick is green. If you said green, apologies, but you're out. Question 4. Name a common kitchen appliance. Let's say toaster. If you picked toaster, tough luck, you're eliminated. Question 5. Name a country beginning with Z. My answer is Zambia. If you said Zambia, you're no longer in the running. Now, for a challenging twist, if you fail this, you must follow. Who appears first when you tap on share, then more? My guess is your sibling.